Hello my fellow hikers! Today I'm in company of 4 friends and we are going to the Alta Via Valmalenco, the first day. We are gonna reach Lago Arcoglio, sleep there with our tents and then reach Rifugio Bosio on the other side. So yeah, stay tuned. So for today we calculated about 1,300 meters in altitude and about 6 or 7 kilometers. So we assume to arrive there at about 7 p.m, 7:30 more or less, and you know, planting the tent and stuff. Bye bye. Hello my fellow cows. And then very big ant house.
Dan il bicchiere quadrato. Il bicchiere anomalo proprio.
Il bicchiere dell'igiene.
Dai, finisci, altro con tutti i bicchieri.
Basta.
Adesso non c'è.
Stavi tranquillo, no?
Adesso il batella sul passo tu perché ho passato la corsa.
And here is the lake. Finally. Look at those mountains, what the hell?
Vicino al lago.
So after pitching the tents, we looked for some dead wood and started up a fire and ate some food. Hey guys! Shh. Bears are sleeping. Hey my fellow hikers! Day 2. We just woke up. As you can see, our tents. The plan is to have breakfast and then we should reach Rifugio Bosio for lunch. So we got plenty of time, but yeah, you know, weathercast told that this afternoon will come rain. We better get moved. Just a little bit fog.
Minchia che roba.
That's a pity. This is Sasso Bianco. So that's it. Now we are going down to Rifugio Bosio, like Terry Bosio, you know. Rock and roll. So we are almost to Rifugio Bosio. It's now more open, I think. And so, right there, Monte Disgrazia, with his ice stuff around, Ghiacciaio di Cassandra. Right there in the middle of the two peaks, there is Rifugio Desio, which we did last year with my friends during Sentiero Roma. Look at the colors of the mountains, the black one, gray and brown. That is very, very amazing. We are leaving Rifugio Bosio right now. Calculated 2 hours and a half to reach the car. Hey guys, so we just split it up just for the last part of the trail. It's like 10 minutes to the car, and you know, it's very, very, very amazing path. Quite easy, but not so much. Very beautiful, very amazing. Also, our friend that is not doing this kind of trails, he's happy, he's good. So departure from Ciappanico, the first part, to reach Lago. I can't remember the name right now. Wow. The first peak is Sasso Bianco, 2,400 and something meters. After that you go down to Rifugio Bosio, and then you do the same path till Alpe Sol, which was just right behind me, and then to Ciappanico again. Of course you can do in one day, about 4 or 5 hours from Ciappanico to Rifugio Bosio, and from Rifugio Bosio to Ciappanico, I mean from the other side of the ring, 2 hours and a half, more or less. Yeah, very nice, very beautiful. Landscape in the lake is very amazing, especially during sunset, you know. We'll see next time, next adventure, next hike, and